Okay, so here's what's going on this morning. We're going to be going up to Cloud Forest, which is a beautiful forest up in Callejo. So we're going to go up there. I'm going to throw my drone up. We're going to do some cinematic stuff and grab some footage. Hopefully I do some pretty cool stuff. I got a couple of ideas I'm thinking about. I've got the chesty, as they call it in the GoPro world, and I'll be doing some stuff. So let's see how this goes. I've lived here my whole life, never been to Cloud Forest, so I don't know, we'll see. Us locals just call this Callejo.
But this is private owned. We own this.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's
no entry without tour guide. Oh yeah, that was, I don't know. I've lived here my whole life, but I've never even been here, to be honest.
Man,
someone just told me
if we were open, but because of the pandemic.
Oh, okay, so you guys not even open.
We had to shut down. So
yeah, I know. We just saw a whole bunch of people going in, so we're like, oh, I guess so. This must be the spot.
All right, man. Well, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Yeah, but just go down. Go down the intersection, turn right, 2 streets. You can't miss it.
And it's essentially the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Oh, okay. Shoot. Yeah. So wait, 2 down, boom, 2 streets up, Maka High, and go up there, park, and then what? Just walk in.
Yeah.
Shoots.
You'll see all the parking. It's about a 1/16 of a mile down.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome to the Cloud Forest.
Cloud Forest is trash. Yeah.
All right.
Trash.
Okay, so we went down to the branded Cloud Forest. Got kicked out because we needed a tour guide, but they're shut down because of the pandemic. Come to find out that's private property. Told the guy, as you guys can see in this GoPro footage, that I've been here my whole life and I've never even heard about this Cloud Forest until this morning. But we came up here to the very top of Callejo. This is how it looks right here. So you guys will be able to see some drone shots because I hit some drone footage up there. And I mean, basically it looks like the top of Callejo to all of us locals that were born and raised here.